Hi, Robert Moody here with MarineMax at Dallas Yacht Center on Lake Louisville. Got a brokerage boat listing today. It's a 2017 Sea Ray 350 Sundancer. It's got the big engines on it, 8.2 liter, 380 horsepower each. The guy ordered this boat and he clicked every box he could on it. Let me do a little walkthrough and show you some of the cool things he's got. The gourmet station's a popular option. We got that. The extend assure shade up top to give me a lot of shade when you're back here hanging out on the swim platform or cooking a meal for the family. It's got that option on it. Walk up here into the cockpit. It's got the nice teak table in the cockpit, really nice. Also has a cockpit refrigerator. Keep your food and drinks out here handy so you're not going down to the cabin all the time. It's got the TV in the cockpit too. It's also got the opening sunroof. So you can have shade if you want it. You want to take a sunset cruise and see the stars, you got that too. With this joystick control boat and the big engines on it, it's really nice to have the joystick. Anybody can dock it, make it super easy. He upgraded to the Raymarine unit. Another option that he got, like I said, he got everything he could. He got the thermal cam. So you got night vision on it with thermal imaging. It's not seeing anything now, but it's a really cool unit if you want to go out at night and make those sunset cruises. Engines only have 50 hours on them, so super low engines, low hours on the engines, 50 hours. Let's step down into the cabin. Really nice popular cabin layout. The master's forward on it. A lot of good lights, overhead lights, big skylights. Really nice seating here in the salon where you got face-to-face seating. This also pulls out and makes into a bed, so this can be a third bed option. You do have a nice big TV over here, nice windows looking out at the water, and skylights letting some light down from up above too. Really nice head compartment, nice teak counter and teak floor on it, big window in there. And back aft, something else he did, he added a table back here in the midship. This obviously converts into another bed, so this is probably your bed number 2. Got a TV back here, closet, central vac, super nice boat, low hours. Love for you to come out and take a look at it. The boat's on Lake Louisville at Pier 121 Marina. I'm Robert Moody with MarineMax Dallas Yacht Sales. Give us a call if you have any questions. We'd love to show you the boat. Thank you.